EZWrite 6 has a cloud whiteboarding feature which allows you to share the board so that other users can participate from their seats or remotely from home. To start cloud whiteboarding, tap here. Participants can join the session by scanning the QR code or using the URL. Once on the page, tap Join Room. Enter the room ID and join with a Google account or as a guest. Then enter a name. Session hosts can see a list of all the participants. You can give permission to edit the whiteboard to individual users or the entire list. That's it! Now everyone can join cloud whiteboarding sessions from anywhere.